got here then? A little tool pack, oil, various, that's pretty good, various tools. Ooh, I don't know. Oh, is that the safety cord? When it goes 100 miles an hour and you end up flying out the window. Thank you. Okay, let's take it from there. It's heavy.
It's very heavy.
Oh my god.
But that mine is like a big muscle.
How did he lift that on his own?
No.
Clearly he's been to the gym. Right, well, let's take a look and come back to this. Oh, we've got the knife out.
Yeah.
We've got the knife out. Right, okay. The unboxing continues. So I've just put some trainers on there just so you can get a bit of an idea of the 16.5-inch belt space that you've got. A quick run through of the machine. See logo on the belt. Zoom on the belt. Nice grippy material. Logo down at the bottom. Plasticky style grab rails. Wouldn't like to put all my weight on that. They will snap, but just to hold as a guidance, perfectly fine. But I'm just saying, don't rest all your weight on that. That's plastic onto metal there. Going round, then you've got your magnetic release, just in case. Display there, still with the film on, hence it's a bit cloudy. Start stop, speed minus, speed plus. There are a few programs in the manual there, about 12 modes, which will let you toggle through obviously the usual time or distance or calories, your kind of aims in regards to your session, whereas this is more of a predefined 12 programs. I'll show you the manual in a second. Then obviously, as I said, speed down, speed up, start stop. Just take you around the other side. Okay, and that's it down again. A few warning signs there on the side. Power and reset. One small thing I did notice, it was like they had a plan for this here, and this is just covered by a sticker, and you can actually see the electronics inside. I don't know if this camera's going to zoom in, but you can see the electronics in there, so it's covered over by a sticker. Obviously I don't know about build quality in that respect, but that is a little bit disappointing there. But to be fair, you got to look at the price point and what you're paying for this in respect of a higher end machine. And then obviously you've got your screw there, wing nut there. Likewise the other side, which then helps you collapse it down, which I'll do now. And obviously more stickers there saying warning, various things like that, if ever the camera decides to focus. Okay, and then that's it. So let me show you a few other fits. Just let you hear the sound. Countdown, 3, 2, 1. Belt goes. Just try and pick up the noise. Quite silent. Increase the speed. That's now 7 kmh. Slight droning noise. Can you hear that? Slight droning noise. But nothing too major. You can certainly still hear the TV. Again, price point, you got to look at price / quality here and just stop it. Bleeping, see obviously that's come off and pulls up the error code, that's fine, and instantly resets, so that works perfectly fine. Had the unit no issues at all so far. Then obviously you got a holder there for your iPad or phone. I've just discovered that unfolding it does require you to take out the 4 bolts, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then it all pushes down into a foldable position to go under a sofa or the back of somewhere. That's a bit better. But yeah, you do need to undo all the full 4 bolts. Unfortunately, there's no kind of quick release with it. It is undo all 4 bolts, and I actually found that that bolt got stuck, so I did have to get the hammer out to whack the bolt. I'm hoping a bit of WD-40 should resolve that issue, so I'll put it back up and double check that. Again, that's it. Literally 30 seconds later, I'm back up. I think I probably went too far in putting that bolt in too tight. I think you just have to basically hand them, screw them hand tight. Don't go too excessive on the turning. But that's probably what my problem was. So a quick look at the manual. There's a model number there. Every language under the sun in this manual as always, but just the basics on how to get it up and running, what you should get in your pack, do's and don'ts, precautions, the usual stuff. Main thing of interest, to be honest with you, is this here. So when I said the programs, you've got 12 programs. Each program is in 16 segments as in minutes. So for example, I tried program 12, which was a minute of 4 miles an hour, another minute of 4 miles an hour, a minute 6 miles an hour, another minute 6, sorry, kmh, sorry, not miles an hour, then another minute of 10, another minute of 12 kmh, so on. They look a bit random, the programs, don't they? Pick a program, they're all kind of the same. Maybe program 9 and 10 look a bit slower, because they're more on 4 and 6 miles an hour. And anybody concerned about warranty information, US customers, EU customers and Walmart customers, so obviously would be the EU email address there. 12-month warranty. And a little flyer inside just to try and entice you into the family. I'm not exactly sure what benefits you'd get from that. I think it's just so they've got your email address for subscription possibly. And of course, obviously in the manual there's some instructions on how to tighten the belt. So you do get a multi-function open spanner. You do get 2 bottles of oil actually. The manual says 1 bottle, you do get 2 bottles of oil. Obviously the 4 bolts, 4 plastic gaskets to go on the bolts, and a little L-shaped hexagon wrench, 6mm, just so you can tighten the belt up if you need to. And instructions on how to do that are in the manual, which is all included in the box. That's pretty much it, guys. Thanks for watching, and as always, appreciate your time. What do I think about it? I think the price point is okay, to be honest with you. We paid 250. It's actually retailing about 300 and something, but we got an Amazon discount, so it came at about 250. So we're kind of happy with that. I think any more money, then you'd be looking at tightening up the quality, maybe on the plastics, on the metal. Certainly the sticker thing that's down there hiding, the circuitry inside, definitely. That brings me on to quality. Quality's okay. It's okay for intermediate / beginners. I think people are going to use this maybe once a day for sort of, you know, 15-20 minutes for a bit of exercise. I imagine if you were somebody that was really going to burn on one of these like a couple of hours at a time every day, I don't know about durability long term, I've got to say. You know, I've got to be honest. But again, you know, you've got to weigh up the amount you're paying to the quality you are going to get. So that's it, guys. I'm happy with it. I'll keep you updated in terms of durability. As always, thank you very much for watching. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.